May I remind you that trading is risky and not suitable for everyone. Your past performance, good or bad, is not necessarily indicative of future results. Please stay small, stay humble, focus on the long term, and never risk money you cannot afford to lose. Welcome to QuantBox New York follow-up. Today is Tuesday, November 15th. All right, so this morning we spoke about the dollar pairs and the fact that we're not, we're out of position for a buy completely and utterly. Currently, you're sitting at the monthly profit-taking zone. You're way above last week's profit-taking zone, and you're currently at a weekly M3. Okay. A couple of things I want you to pay attention to. Well, first of all, today at London, we said do not sell this because you don't have the lower low, lower high. Guess what? You avoided losing money. Congratulations. Notice a couple of things, curious things. First of all, price has not pulled back down to make a higher low. Okay. Which tells me that as price goes up and up and up and up and up, I want to pay attention to opportunities to sell. But all I'm looking for right now is role reversals. So if, for example, price came down and closed at a role reversal, or price came down and closed at a role reversal, whatever the case may be, I'd pay attention to that. If price came down and then pulled back up and closed the role reversal, I'd pay attention to that. At this present moment in time, one of two things are happening. Traders are either thinking, oh, come on, I'll just buy, it'll carry on going up. Or traders are thinking, oh, come on, I'll sell, it's definitely going to go down. You want to be careful of both of those. What we want is, if we get into a trade, we want that trade to run for a number of pips, not just a little tiny scalp where, oh my goodness, I'm so grateful I got out. Or a situation where you decide to buy it off of whatever, and then it comes up here, hits that resistance, and comes down. You don't want to be in trades for a short period of time. Not in this situation. It's unnecessary. What we'd like to do is we'd like to be in trades for a longer period of time. So as price is going up, I'm aware of the fact on the left-hand side, we've got some price action over there. And price could easily close at resistance, which is fine. But look at this candle here. This is your 8 o'clock candle. This is the candle for New York market open. Okay, this is the last 4-hour candle to close before New York market open. Take a look at your 1-hour chart. You're currently at a daily profit-taking zone, absolutely 100% where you would expect to see some selling or profit-taking. However, you need to confirm it. If you confirm it, you get into a much better quality trade. I understand the frequency is less. If you only ever trade role reversals, you do trade a lot less. But because you trade a lot less, your trades are more likely to work out, which means you can adjust the risk accordingly. Take a look at the M15 chart. Does that look like a bearish chart? Does that look like lower lows, lower highs? Look at that 21, look at that 55, look at how everything's pointing up. So you've got two decisions to make. Number one, am I in position for a buy? No, I'm not. Am I in position for a sell? Yes, I am. Is this currently bearish? No, it's not. Okay, cool. Follow those rules consistently and you will consistently make money. Don't give in to the emotion of the trade. Still watching this, still watching the setup. Now, again, it's important to pay attention to the fact that because today at London, you didn't have that lower low, lower high. You did not sell this, even though price was at a monthly R2. You didn't sell this and you avoided losing money. Not losing money is the same as making money. Okay. Taking a look at the other pairs, I'm just going to look at dollar pairs because it's all the ones we're interested in right now. So you can see the same situation, still the monthly profit taking zone, same thing. Look at this chart, right? Today at London, we did not sell this, even though price is at a weekly M3. We did not sell this because we never had the lower low, lower high. Our prices come up. I mean, it's very tempting to say, come on, let's just sell this. It'll go down. The question is, if you sold this, and if you were, let's say you got lucky and this did go down, how would you take profit? Where would you get out? If you trade the role reversal, then you know that you're trading a trend, and then you know that you can hold that trade for longer. And you want to hold trades for longer because the longer you hold trades, the less you have to trade, the less you have to take risk, and the more money you make on trades that you hold. Role reversals. Right now, we're not in position for a buy, and no bearish role reversals currently present. Same thing on the H1 time frame. You can see you're definitely looking at this thinking, oh my goodness, what a great place to sell, but only if it's bearish. And this can go down and drop and do whatever it does. But remember, if your goal is to trade bearishness, you're looking for those lower highs. Trade lower highs after lower lows. And this over here, there's a lack of lower low, there's a lack of lower high. Even look at that M15 chart. Don't fall into the trap. Okay, even if it goes down, remember, what's more important to you than making money is being consistent in your trading. You don't want to make money today and then lose it tomorrow. You want to know that when you make money in trading, you can hold on to that money, you can grow your account. To do that, you have to be controlled, you have to be consistent. What's the best way of making sure you don't lose money? Don't trade volatile, illiquid markets. Now, right now, we can agree this is not volatile or illiquid. Markets moving up very, very nicely. Okay, great. But then how do you make sure that you're always trading markets that are not volatile and are not illiquid? And the answer there is always trade trends. If you're in position for a sell, look for bearish roll reversals. If you're in position for a buy, look for bullish roll reversals. We don't have that right now. And at some point in time, we're either going to get a bullish roll reversal in position for a buy or a bearish roll reversal in position for a sell. You have to match those two things together. Pound dollar, same story. Not moving as high as the others, but you can see there still avoided selling this morning. And as a result, we did not lose money. Okay. Again, no lower low, no lower high to be seen. Looking at the M15 chart, you can see there. No lower low, no lower high. So then wait. It's an easy thing to wait for, my friends. You know what you're waiting for? It's easy to wait. Look at the 4-hour chart here on Kiwi dollar USD. That does not say sell, but you're not in position to buy. So you have to wait patiently. Look at that chart there. That doesn't say sell either, but you certainly are not in a place where you want to buy. You would never want to buy here. Think about the return on investment you'd get if you bought so high. Your entire goal of trading is to buy low, sell high. This is not low. And you can't sell unless we're bearish. And do you look bearish right now? I don't see lower lows and lower highs. USD CAD, obviously it's an opposite, it's a flip. You can see we still don't have that higher high, higher low. Still haven't got that higher high, higher low. Be patient, wait for it. The capital that you got in your account right now will so much better serve you if you don't lose it. Because once it's lost, now not only are you folks trying to make money, you're trying to focus on getting money back, and you just end up going backwards. Revenge trading, fear of loss, that causes all kinds of psychological issues, moving your stop too soon, closing your trades too early. If you just be controlled, you can find a way to consistently trade in a direction for a longer period of time. What's the secret? Roll reversals, trends. Now, of course, you can also trade off the 21 EMA. No doubt about that. But we need price to come back up. So in this case here, come back down to that moving average. Okay. Right now, we are high. We need to be bearish if we want to sell. Not difficult to pay attention to. Just a decision. Just decide to be controlled. Decide to be disciplined. Decide to be patient. You'll be amazed at what a difference it'll make to your trading. You've absolutely got this. Stay controlled, stay disciplined, stay patient, stay liquid. Let's see how things develop between now and, well, obviously we've got New York ahead of us, Asia tonight. I'll see you guys in London tomorrow. All the best. Cheers.